Kenhun Menteri jangka Sorkar Meghalaya kalau Mynjur ya ke amendment nejing pynkylla ya ke Meghalaya State Language Act Arjarsan. Banla ban penterikam ya ke Associate Official Language Khasi ha Eastern West Khasi Hills. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong balale ekane kadi bagjela kaladon ya ke distrik Batamai kata ke Eastern West Khasi Hills. Kumta kene kejing pynkylla kalong kemudian kam kadang baka Associate Official Language ha ke Khasi and kentup langno ha ke distrik Batamai. Sorkar jela kelabatha ya ke search committee belaklet officer IAS berem ubak Peter Dekar banjit chairperson bagi khot batamai jong ke Meghalaya lokayokta bagian IT no agi kerteng bantung kam hapo laipau ne sopusan sngi. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong basisen bala pendap ikene kam anselum ya kejinyalang jong ke committee ke baklet menteri rangba ha ke nan lang ulam panggeng dorbar sumbut menteri rangba nong yalam kaliang persya ba chief justice ke Meghalaya. Uli itu ru baka kanun menteri gila Mynjur ke amendment juga rules na ke bentang search committee da ke bapenbu na ke jing seo bai syong jing yalang jong chairman bat ki dekhot.
For different associate official languages in different districts, the either Khasi or Garo is put there for local communications to be allowed in the associate official languages, and the different exams in those districts to be conducted in those. The necessary language requirement will be based on that associate official language. And as we had a new district of Mairang, Eastern West Khasi Hills district, the necessary amendments had to be made to make the associate official language as Khasi and include the new district in that particular list. So that small amendment was made just to include Eastern West Khasi Hills in the list. In terms of the rules for the search committee, for the selection of panel of names for appointment of chairman and member of the Lokayukta. So there is a search committee that is constituted, which we have already constituted. And this search committee will then propose some names to the main committee to then appoint and select the chairperson and the members of the Lokayukta. Now, the search committee has been constituted in the last meeting, as you're aware. But under this search committee, there are rules in which the search committee functions. So the decision today, that's the background. The decision in the cabinet today was to increase the sitting allowance for the search committee members. Very simple decision. Earlier, the committee members used to get 2,500 rupees per sitting, and it was felt that it could be increased because sittings are just 1 or 2 meetings that take place. So the amount has been increased from 2,500 to 5,000 for the members, and for the chairman from 3,000 to 6,000.